Hi, it's Katie with WTI. Are you excited that it's finally gardening season? I know that I am. Instead of putting our garden in the ground and constantly worrying about my dog digging things up, I went with these GADI raised garden beds this year. This is the first year I've tried them out, and so far I am really impressed with them. One of the reasons why I'm so impressed, I accidentally dropped a concrete block on the side of one of them, completely smashing it, and I was able to unfold it and it's still intact. So, hooray! I really like how much I'm actually able to fit into one of these gardens. So I have a small amount of space, but I'm really packing them full of lots and lots of plants. Even though these look large in size, they actually come shipped to you as the flat panels, and then you just put everything together. So the boxes were surprisingly small when they arrived, and I was wondering how is this going to turn into a raised garden, but it did it. These are designed to hold about 7 cubic feet of dirt, and I just can't wait to see how well my garden grows. And that's my point of view.